Well, thanks as always for joining me, and quickly whiz through the colours. Got ultramarine, cad yellow, Payne's grey, alizarin crimson, raw sienna, burnt umber, light red. Got the large Ron Ransonite there ready in the water, and 15 by 11 Fabriano watercolour paper. So starting with a big 8 brush, I'm just wetting it all over. This is just clean water all over the paper. And I'll go just a little bit, just have a little bit of raw sienna, only a little bit, clean the brush. Then I'm going ultramarine, Payne's grey, bit of Payne's grey, a bit more ultramarine. And I'm just going to brush that in, let's just see what it looks like first. A bit more Payne's grey. Something like that. Reload the brush, a bit more wool blue, a bit more grey. And then push that down something like so. A bit more. Really darken it up. Put that bit there. And what I might do is use a clean brush and just where the horizon is going to be, just take out a few little clouds just so that the trees that will go there will be seen a little bit clearer. Right, let's give that a quick dry. I'll do it for now. Make sure it's flat against the easel, so I'm just unclipping it, refixing it up there. Just using my 2 little clips here, and then I'll be good to go again. Bear with me for 1 second, just straighten that up. Right, next I want a really dark set of trees on that horizon line, so I'm just going to go a bit of ultramarine, bit of paint, a bit of cad yellow, bit of Payne's grey, and I'm going to start off with some these are over there somewhere, and above there a few bigger trees. Pop in a few trunks in here and there, a few tree trunks. Just darken that, make it a little bit bigger, I think. And underneath that, I'm doing cad yellow, bit of raw sienna. Clean the brush, I want it nice and bright. More cad yellow. Just in there like that. I'll just pop that in first. Get a little bit darker up there. Just I want to just get it right above that the lip bit there, just to really sort of emphasise the contrast there. Now with that darking, what I might do, just soak that up at the bottom. I might need it slightly darker. Let's just grab me a piece of card. I just want to just have a few little pop another one in there, little buildings even there. Things just scrapes along. I'll paint over some of this. I'm just looking for sort of random detail really. Quick dry. Not bone dry, just slightly drier than it was. And I'm going to go back into that cad yellow, just going to sweep across there, something like that. Now, anything I'm not too keen on, I'm just going to paint straight over. I'm going to go into a bit of actually, let's go. I want to put a path in, so I'm just going a bit of light red, bit of ultramarine, something like that. Let's have a path, sort of something like that. Get more up to these dwellings up there. Just make sure this paper's straight. Into this. Just pushing the paint into this path just to sort of really blend it into the landscape. Bit of ultramarine in there just to little dips and dabs scattered about. Give it a quick dry. I've wet this a little bit more down the bottom side, so the bottom part of the paper is getting a bit crinkly. I'm just trying to get that as flat as I can before I go any further. Might put a couple of little figures and maybe some shadows. switch to the rigger brush, bit of brown, bit of blue. Just a few little grass and things growing here and there. It's you know, quite a dark colour. I just want like a little figure silhouetted somewhere. I think just it needs to be up there. I think by the top of this path. I think. In fact, well, let's go red so he stands out a bit better. I'm going. Starting with the top half, then I'm just giving to this burnt one, just ultramarine, just to darken it a bit. And then just popping his leg in. And I just want a little dog up there. Just about seeing. Just a little bird up there, just in that white area, just so that the bird stands out a bit better. I'm going to grab the hay brush, and then just a bit of alizarin, a bit of grey. Gonna a few shadows across there. A little bit more dramatic there now, I think. These are shadows of something that's just out of view. That could be by big trees or something on this left hand side. I could try and do a shadow from the figure, but it's on a dark path. It's really not going to stand out. You can hardly see it, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. The only thing I'm going to do now is just pop my name down here. I'm going to call this one finished if I can get this paint to come off properly. Right, let's stick a mount on it and see what it looks like. This is our mounted finished painting, so if we go in and have a closer look at it. As usual, started with the sky. Started off with a sort of raw sienna all the way through. Only lightly though, because the predominant colour here was ultramarine with a bit of Payne's grey in it to give it that sort of dark, ominous look. And then sort of preserve this light area there, just brushed around it. Just create this sort of light, sort of you can see it reflecting off the rooftops. So because we got this really light area then, I wanted the sort of the distant land as dark as I possibly could, sort of almost silhouetted against the light sky, just to enhance the sort of drama. So I've put it on really dark. There's lots of Payne's grey in this green mix. Not just the trees, but also these sort of the distant sort of hedges and trees and bushes in the background. Deliberately pushed it right up into that light area there for maximum impact and contrast, and then used the card just to scrape out a few buildings here and there, and a few little details, I mean, they don't look like anything, but it's just random detail here and there. I mean, that could be anything that your imagination wants them to be, really. Then onto the sort of grassy sections below, predominantly cadmium yellow with a touch of raw sienna and ultramarine, only a little bit. Then I can't even, what colour, I think it was sort of ultramarine, light red, and a few other colours mixed in, really. Just put this path in, swept it all the way up to the little village up the top, and then brushed the yellow right up to the path edge, just so you see how it sort of all blends in together. And then right at the top we got a little man and his dog walking off towards the buildings. A few scribbles there with a rigger brush, little tall grasses and whatnot growing in the foreground. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can join me over on Patreon if you want to watch more videos. You can also post your own paintings on there for us all to see what you've been doing. So until next time, thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Any questions, please ask, and I'll see you again soon.